lessons right here.
I've never been a good flyer, ever.
Why is the plane getting louder?
Every little move on the plane frightens me, especially on the small planes.
Lisa, hold my hand. Turn the camera off. Turn it off.
I had one flight in Sweden a long, long time ago where the plane just dropped out of the sky. So after that experience with flying, I really freaked out.
Alicia, what if we don't see the ground when we land? And then we just hit the ground? And it's going to scare me out of nowhere. This happens. Just prepare yourself.
I really don't understand when other people on a plane are laughing and goofing off. It makes it even worse for me.
You see ground? Okay. Around the water. And good, we can swim.
Felicia picks on me even more when we fly. And that really pisses me off, Fee. Don't do it ever again.
We can breathe, we can breathe. We landed on the ground. We can breathe, we can breathe. I hate to fly. I hate it.
We just got off the plane. And we're in the car right now. And we're waiting for our luggage to touch